afternoon, guys. So in this channel, we're gonna learn how to code, and we're gonna start with C Sharp. So C Sharp is a programming language developed by Microsoft that runs on the .NET framework. So C Sharp is used to develop web app, desktop app, mobile app, games, and much more. So with C Sharp, with C Sharp, you could it's a model object oriented and a type-safe programming language. So C Sharp enables developers to build many types of secure and robust applications that runs in .NET. So C Sharp has its roots in the C family of languages. It will be immediately familiar to C and C, and C++, Java, and JavaScript programming. So please stay tuned as we're gonna go with the tutorial on C Sharp. So first and foremost, you could click here. Let's say you click here. So let's give it the name of Hello World 2. Bang, bang, bang. Let's go on the desktop. Let's go on the C Sharp folder and let's put it there. There's no need to select, so let's just go there. Okay, guys, so let's go. Yep, so create on the .NET framework. Just gonna take some time before it. See, what do we get? Okay. All right. Okay, so we have this folder named Hello World. Now let's create it from scratch. Start here, say new, call this project. The console hub, let's do next. Call this console app 2. And then let's go there, the .NET framework. Okay. So what we're gonna do is let's do so using system, right? And that. And we could do name space, give it to us. We'll make this be what? Hello. Let's say hello world. Create bracket. Call this class program. In the class program, we're gonna create another bracket. And inside of this bracket, we're gonna make static void, void. And inside of static void, we're gonna call this min. Then we do what? Create a brace. Out of there, we're gonna make a string because it's a string, but we're gonna write. And then we're gonna make this little curly thing here. Then we're gonna make the argument. Yes. Okay. Old name. All right. So in here, what should be inside of this? Let's make this back here. Okay. So down here, so make another braces. And then just grab this. Say Control X. You remove this and put that inside of here. So basically, this code here is already ready to print out what we have here as hello world. Let's just save it all and test this code to see if we make no mistake. Let's see, just give it a little bit of time and see if it's gonna point out the hello world. It's running slow, guys, so I apologize for that. Okay, so you see it point out hello world. Let's say if we were to go back to this and just make Control C, Control V, let's say if we were to say hello, my name is Carlo, I am from Haiti. We going to learn C# here together. Right? Oh, let's move this. Move both of these. Let's save it all. Then let's print it out again and see. Just to double check. Right, so you see it's printed out. Okay, guys, so this is C#. So again, with C#, so with C#, so C# is a general purpose, high-level programming language supporting multiple paradigms. So with C#, it encompasses static typing, form typing, lexically scoped, imperative, declarative functions, functional, generic, object-oriented, class-based, and component-oriented programming disciplines. So the C# programming language was designed by Andres Hilbergs for Microsoft in 2000 and was later approved as an international standard by ECMA 2002. So you could make your own search about C#. That's a pretty good programming language, especially if you want to work with Microsoft base platform. So C# is a very good tool, especially if you are, I mean, C# or DevOps. Or basically, if you're a cloud engineer or cloud architect, it doesn't require you to learn C sharp like, as a developer, but it's good to be able to have the knowledge to read, you know, C sharp syntaxes and stuff like that. And there's time that you may require to do some configurations, like especially on the IAM, like certain roles that you give that may require you to, to know, say for instance, like those. So these right there, it is important to know what that means, and giving roles and access and stuff like that. So that little thing here, you know. So then, like I said, just stay tuned. We're gonna learn a lot in this channel. I'm gonna dedicate this channel just to learn programming. Like if you want to become a programmer, if you want to learn how to code in C Sharp, Java, um, Python, HTML5, and CSS3, JavaScript. So just stay tuned. You're gonna learn all this in this channel. I appreciate you guys taking the time to, stop by into my channel. Stay tuned because we're going to have a lot of videos come out, and so we're gonna learn together. And you know, there's a saying that says that the teacher and the teaching, I mean, the teacher and the student make the teaching. So I'm not a teacher, but we're doing it together, and that's why we're here. So again, thank you. Just stay tuned, okay, for another video on how to code with C Sharp. Bye bye. See you in the next lab.